All right. Mrs. Scalaron wants to purchase the Disney app. The app is on sale for $99 for the year. How much will it cost monthly for the subscription? All right, so here are some things that I noticed. I noticed that I only see like one number, and that is for a year subscription. So I might have to think about, well, what are they talking about when they talk about a year subscription? We're wanting to know the monthly cost, so I have to stop and think about how many months are in a year. So 1 year is equal to 12 months. Oh, okay, so that means every month I'm going to get charged for some of this Disney information. All right? So we want to know what that is. So I'm thinking to myself, before I even get started, what's happening here? We're taking this $99 and we're going to split that cost over 12 months. Splitting that cost over 12 months. So if each month is going to be the same, and I know that, if I were going to take this number and I were going to separate it, I'm going to look quickly to see if there's any answers that I could possibly get rid of. Yeah, absolutely. I don't think it's going to cost $82.50 per month when we know that the total bill is $99. Yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and fill in our window pane. The monthly cost is blank. We have our app that's going to cost us $99. We're dividing this over the 12 months. And so we want to know what is that cost. So that's 99 divided by 12 equals a number. Well, I'm going to do some easy math. So here's what I know. 99 is pretty much 100. Okay, and if I quickly just divide that by 10, I know it's going to be about $10 a month. Okay, and I'm sitting here thinking to myself, well, it's going to be less than that because we have more than just 10 months. So I know it's going to be, it is reasonable to think it's one of these numbers. All right, so let's set this up. We want to make our 12s real quick. So our top bottom chart, we have one group is 12. 2 groups is 24, 3 groups is 36, 4 groups is 48, 5 groups is 60, 6 groups is 72, 7 groups is 84, 8 groups is 96, and 9 groups is 108. All right, so let's set up our problem. We have 99 divided by 12. At this point, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to pause the video. I'd like you to practice what we've been working on this entire week, see if you can solve it on your own, and then unpause to see if our answers match. All right, and right away what I know about this problem is I'm probably going to get a decimal because I'm going to have some left over. So I'm going to go ahead and put my decimal and think to myself, how many groups of 12 are in 9? And there are 0. How many in 99? So I'm going to get as close as I possibly can, which is 8. And 8 groups of 12 is 96. So that gives me 99 minus 96 is 3. And I've already made my decimal, so I'm going to pop up my decimal. I'm going to add my 0, and now I'm going to drop my 0. Okay, there's 30. Let's start all over. Get as close as we possibly can to 30. So when I look at my facts, I know that I can only get 2 groups. 2 groups of 12 would be 24, and 30 minus 24 is 6. I can't have anything left over, so I need to add another 0. And I'm going to drop that 0. I get 60. How many groups of 12 will get me to 60? And that number is 5. 5 times 12 is 60. And it looks like I'm going to be spending $8.25 per month. And that definitely is reasonable compared to the number 10. So I'm going to go ahead and circle this number here, put it in my box, and fill this in. Thank you so much for playing math with me today. Just know that all of this practice is to help make sure that we're prepared for our next test that we will have soon.